In this video, we'll explore two different cases to understand the importance of using the correct power supply to ensure optimal performance of the Terabee People Flow Counting LXL LoRa model. The People Flow Counting LXL has three LEDs that indicate different states of the device. The power LED lights up in green only as soon as the device receives power. The status LED blinks in different colours to indicate the device state, and the sensor LED lights up in red if the device is powered with the recommended power supply. These are the two use cases we will look at. The first is using an incorrect power supply of 1 amp. The second case is using the recommended power supply, which is 2.5 amp minimum and 5 volts. Let's start with case 1 with an incorrect power supply of 1 amp. What happens is that the device will not be powered on and there will only be a blink in the sensor LED. When the power LED shows green, the device is powered. For the status LED, the colours mean the following. Initially, the status LED remains off for a prolonged period, typically around 20 to 30 seconds. Then red shows that the counting software is off or not yet started or booting. Yellow shows that the counting software is starting, accompanied by the sensor LED starting to light up. Then, both the status LED and the sensor LED turn off, and the cycle repeats from the beginning. As expected, the device doesn't power on and there's no indication from the power LED. To fix this issue, please use only the recommended power supply, which is 2.5 amp minimum and 5 volts. Any power supply below 2.5 amps may cause devices to power up, but fail to send LoRa uplinks due to limited power. Let's move on with case 2 using the recommended power supply, which is 2.5 amp minimum and 5 volts. The device will be powered on and the sensor LED will light up. The power LED is green, which shows the device is powered. For the status LED, this is what the different colours mean. Red means that the counting software is off or not yet started or booting. Yellow means that the counting software is starting, accompanied by the sensor LED. Green means that the counting software started and is running. Blue with a brief blink shows that the last data was pushed successfully. It shows a blue light every X seconds as set by the customer. So, the recommended power supply is 2.5 amp minimum and 5 volts. If you still have difficulty powering the sensor, please contact Terabee support. You can see more Terabee video tutorials on our YouTube channel.